Hi friend, my name is Abhimanyu Bhattacharjee and as you all know I'm a booktuber and I'm making video on this book. The name of this book is Practice of Brahmacharya, and friends, as I always say, this book is this long and I cannot make this full book in one video. So what I'm doing is that I'm making each and every topic on each and every video so you can understand it in a better way. And friends, what I'm doing is that I'm giving number to each and every video. So if you come sequence wise 1, 2, 3, 4, you'll understand it in a better way. Apart from seeing 18 video, 20 video, 43 video, there is quite possibility that you get confused, friends. Okay. And friends, if you have any doubt, you can directly ask me in the comment section because I do see the comments and I give answer to each and every comment, friends. Okay. And friends, you can also follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is Abhimanyu Bhattacharjee 1906. So I'll spell it for you, friends. Okay. It's ABHIMNYUBHATTACHARJE1906. And friend, before proceeding further, I would like to tell you, do subscribe my channel, like the video, press the bell icon. So whenever I update a new video, you will get a notification, friends. Okay. So friends, in our last video, I have covered the topic called fashion, a terrible curse. So this topic I have covered. And in our today's video, I'm going to cover the topic called passion, friends. Okay. I'm going to cover the topic called passion. And friends, this is 48 number video and the topic is passion, friends. Okay. So I will start this video, friends. Okay. So let us see what Swami Sivananda ji is telling to us in this topic. Okay. Any strong desire is passion. So here Swami Sivananda ji is telling any strong desire which we have in our mind, it is completely passion. Passion is an intense or overpowering feeling such that mind is as if passively swayed by it. So passion is a overpowering feeling when we feel that we have overpowered a particular concept or particular thing. So we are into a deep mode of passively passion. So this is also one of the feeling of passion, friends. Okay, so this Swami Sivananda is telling to us in this topic. Any intense or inordinate continuous affection or impulse as the passion of love, pride, jealousy, avarice, etc. So love, pride, jealousy, these are all kind of passion, friends. Okay, so this Swami Sivananda ji is telling to us in this topic. Especially ardent affect for one of the opposite sex is passion. So especially when we feel something special for the opposite sex is completely passion, friends. Okay, so this Swami Sivananda ji is telling to us in this topic. Amorous feeling is passion. A fit of intense and furious anger is also passion. So Swami Sivananda ji is telling that amorous feeling and the fit of inner anger is also a passion. So whenever we get angry too much or something like that negative feeling, so it is also completely passion, friends. Okay, so this Swami Sivananda ji is telling to us in this topic, friends. Okay, passion is an emotion by which the intellect swayed. So passion is an emotion by which our intellect swayed, and we are unable to think deeply by using our intellect because passion sits at that time in our intellect at that point of time, friends. Okay, so this Swami Sivananda ji is telling to us in this topic. The object of strong desire is passion. We say music becomes a passion with Ram. So Swami Swaminanda is telling that the which is our very much strong desire in our life. So it is passion. So even the music also become passion with Ram, friends. Okay. So this Swami Swaminanda is telling to us in this topic. Passion is an enemy of peace, devotion, and wisdom. If you do not have victory over passion, it will annihilate happiness, health, and peace. So, friends, here Swami Sivananda is telling that passion is an enemy of peace, devotion, and wisdom, right? And if we cannot have victory over this negative emotion called passion, it is going to ruin our life and take happiness, health, and peace from our life, friends. Okay, so it is very important for us to have a control over passion, friends. Okay, so this Swami Sivananda is telling to us in this topic. He who is ruled by passion is the worst of slave. So Swami Sivananda is telling a person who is ruled by passion is worse than a slave also. Passion is like convulsive fit. So Swami Sivananda is telling passion is like a convulsive fit, right? It is a momentary excitement, it weaken you after enjoyment. So passion is a momentary enjoyment, but it weaken us. It's a momentary excitement, but it weaken us after the excitement, friends. Okay, so this Swami Sivananda is telling to us in this topic. Passion is like an unruly horse. So Swami Sivananda is telling that passion is completely like an unruly horse. govern it through prudence, dispassion, and discrimination. So we need to govern it through prudence, dispassion, and discrimination, friends. Okay, so this Swami Sivananda is telling to us in this topic. And grow wiser and better. And by controlling this way, we could grow wiser and also even better, friends. Okay, so this Swami Sivananda is telling to us in this topic. Deliver yourself from passion and you will be free. So we should deliver ourselves from passion and we are going to be a complete free, friends. Okay, so this Swami Sivananda is telling to us in this topic. Destroy your ruling passion, your master passion first. So we should destroy our ruling passion and then the master passion, friends. Okay, so this Swami Sivananda is telling to us in this topic. For then all other passion can be easily annihilated. So Swami Swananda is telling that first annihilate your master passion, that is follow brahmacharya and practice celibacy. Then all the small passion can easily be annihilated from our life. Otherwise, these are all going to ruin our life. So Swami Swananda is telling to us it is very important for us is to follow practice of brahmacharya and to follow practice of celibacy, friends. Okay. A dictator or king rules the people, but passion rules the dictator or the king. So Swami Sivananda is telling that a dictator and the rule, a dictator or a king rules the people, but the truth is that the passion rules the dictator or the king, right? So passion rules him. He rules people, but passion rules him. So passion is so potent and passion is so powerful, friend, and it's very important for us that we can keep passion, we completely eradicate passion from our life, otherwise passion is going to eradicate our life, friends. Okay, so this Swami Sivananda is telling to us in this topic. A sage or a yogi alone is a master of the passion. So here Swami Sivananda is telling that a sage or a yogi is alone the master of all the passion, friends. Okay, he alone is ever happy, blissful, and peaceful. So Swami Swananda is telling a person, a sage or a yogi is alone. He doesn't have anything. He doesn't have money. He doesn't have anything. But still he is happy in his life, friends. Okay, so this Swami Swananda is telling to us in this topic. Your headstrong passion shuts the door of the eliminatable kingdom. So Swami Swananda is telling that our headstrong passion, which stop the blessing of the illimitable kingdom of bliss, right? So it's very important for us is to follow practice of brahmacharya and to follow practice of celibacy, friends. Okay, so this Swami Swananda is telling to us in this topic. Slay this passion and enter the domain of bliss. So we should slay this passion and we should enter the domain of bliss, friends. Okay, so this Swami Sivananda is telling to us in this topic. The strongest animal passion is that with which you cling to life mundane. So Swami Sivananda is telling strongest animal passion is that where we destroy our life completely, friends. Okay, so this Swami Sivananda is telling to us in this topic. Have passion for God realization. This will kill all animal passion. So we should all, Swami Swananda is telling that we should always have the passion for God realization, that who am I, from where I have came and from where I will go. Then this is going to eradicate and finish all the animal passion from our life, friends. Okay, so this Swami Swananda is telling to us in this topic. And friends, in our this video I have covered a topic called passion, right? And in our next video I'm going to cover the topic called conquest of passion, friends. Okay, so so friends, this brings to end of our today's video. I'll be meeting you in the next video. Till then, goodbye, take care, and I'll meet you in the next video, friends. Okay, till then, goodbye, take care, and I'll meet you in the next video.